Oh, wait. That's not the right song.
What is that? Wait, wrong thing. Sorry. Let's just keep it going, though.
It's not the right song.
Okay.
Yes!
Okay. See, it's supposed to be this song.
Can you hold the computer so I'm gonna get really
I'm holding it. Wait, but I want to use my hands.
Summertime and the wind is blowing outside, and no it's Chelsea and I don't know what I'm doing in the city. The sun is always in my eyes. It crashes through the windows and I'm sleeping on the couch. When I came to visit you, that's when I knew that I could never have you. I knew that before you did. Still, I'm the one who's stupid. And there's this burning in here, like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive.
In case you're wondering, this is all done by our voices.
This is a view on a motorcycle drive by. The cigarette she flies in your eyes and you don't mind. You smile and say the world it doesn't fit with you. I don't believe you. You're so serene, careening through the universe. Your axis on a tilt. You're guiltless and free. I hope you take a piece of me with you. There's things I like to do that you don't believe in.
Like, go to church.
I would like to build something, but you'll never see it happen. And there's this burning, like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive. And there's this burning, there is this burning, There's so much love. New York City's evil, the surface is everything, but I could never do that. Someone will see through that. And this is the last time we'll be friends again. I'll get over you. You wonder who I am. And there's this burning, just like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive. So alive. I roll into the coast, it starts to rain, I paddle out on the water, alone. Chase the song, taste the pain, I'm not thinking of you again. Sun dies and swells rise, the sun goes down in my eyes. In this roadway, darkly coming to take me home. And I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive.
Yay! And we know we can't sing, so don't say rude things.